Okay, so let's look at how we stopped last week. So last week we were doing how to solve the system of equations using the graph. So mostly we call this system of equations simultaneous equations. So we're looking for the value of x and y which satisfy the system. So I did not tell you how many methods you can use to solve the system. So one method is what we did by using the graph. The next method is by use of elimination. Then the third one by use of substitution. So either way, you can find the solution of the system by using either the three ways. So you should be able to know which one, which is which. Okay, so today we're going to look at the two methods. So did you have any question with the graph? Anyone with any question with the graph? Graphical method? Did you try your homework? Okay, so today let's look at the two methods, the substitution method and the elimination method. So we'll just be doing some of the examples. I posted them, I think yesterday in Moodle. Okay, so let's start from, I don't know whether you will see this. Is it clear? All right, so solve the following system of equation. Solve the following system of equation. Minus 2x plus 5y equals to minus 11. 4x minus 3y equals to 15. So let's start by using the elimination method. So in elimination method, we eliminate one variable. We try to eliminate one variable. Like we can eliminate x or we can eliminate y. So you look at the variable which can easily be eliminated here. So 2x, when you look at the first one, the coefficient of x is minus 2, and here is 4. Then you have another one there, 5 and 3 there. So from the look of things here, it's easy to eliminate what? X, right? So to eliminate x, what you do is you multiply the first linear equation by 2, and then you multiply the second one by what? By 1. Okay? So here, when you multiply everywhere by 2, then you get minus 4x plus 10y equals to minus 21, 22. Then when you multiply the second one by 1, then you get 4x minus 3y equals to 15. So what do you do to remove the value of x there? We do what? We add, right? So we add the two systems. So minus 4 plus 4x is what? 0, right? So you get 0. 10y plus minus 3y is what? You get what? No, sorry. So 10y plus minus 3y is what? 7y. Equals to minus 22 plus 15. You get what? Negative what? Negative 7 there. Then when you divide by 7 and then you divide by 7, then you get y to be equals to negative 1. You get y to be equals to negative 1. So we have found the first variable y equals to minus 1. So we look for this x, the value of x. So what you do here, you now bring this, the value of y, to any of the equations there. Don't use the second one. Use the first one, okay? So here, you can substitute now the value of y in the first equation here or the second one. So we can do it in the first equation. So we have minus 2x plus 5y plus 5y equals to minus 11. So the value of y is minus 1. So we bring it here. So minus 2x plus 5 times minus 1 equals to minus 11. Equals to minus 11. So minus 2x minus 5 equals to minus 11. So we take the 5 to the other side. So you get minus 2x equals to minus 11 plus what? Plus 5. So minus 11 plus 5 is negative 6. So minus 2x equals to minus 6. So what is the value of x? X equals to what? 3. So x equals to 3. So now the solution to our system will now be 3 and then what? Minus 1. So that is our solution. So that means the two lines will meet at the point 3 minus 1 if you use the graph method. So they will meet at the point 3 minus 1. Is that clear? Okay. Okay, the next one here, 2x plus 9y equals to minus 4. Then 3x plus 13y equals to minus 11. So we use elimination method. So we can eliminate what? X, right? So we can eliminate x. So what do we do? So here, you multiply this one by 3, and then you multiply the next one by what? 2. So you multiply by 3 and 2. So when you multiply the first one by 3, then you get 6x plus what? 27y equals to minus 12. The next one will be 6x plus 26y equals to minus 14. Equals to minus 14. And then From there, we now do what? We subtract. So we subtract. So when we subtract the two equations, then 6x minus 6x is 0, right? So you get 0 here. Okay, before that. 27y minus 26y is what? Y, right? So plus y equals to minus 12 minus 14. So minus 12 minus 14. So this is like minus 12 plus what? 14, which is equals to 2. Equals to 2. So y is equals to 2. Y is equals to 2. So we get the value of x. So we bring this y to any of the equations here. So we can use the first one. So 2x plus 9y equals to minus 4. So y is 2. So y is equals to 2. So 2x plus 9 times 2 equals to minus 4. So 2x plus 18 equals to minus 4. So 2x equals to minus 4 minus 18. So 2x equals to minus 4 plus minus 18 is what? Minus 22. So x equals to minus 11. So x equals to minus 11. So now our system, the solution to our system is now minus 11 to minus 11 to. So that is the solution to our system. So that one is where they will meet. That is where they will meet. Is that clear? Any question? Okay, the next one is x equals to minus 4y plus 6. Then 2x plus 3y equals to minus 3. Now, here, we use substitution method. So what do? This is the point when x, you've made x the subject. That means you take all the values to the other side. So we can say this one is equation number 1, and then this is equation number 2. So for the substitution, you use equation number 1. You take equation number 1 to equation number 2. That means you substitute the value of x in equation number 2 here. So where there is x in equation number 2, you put minus 4y plus 6. So here it will now be 2x. You bring the equation number 1 there, minus 4y plus 6 plus 3y equals to minus 3. Equals to minus 3. And then you open the brackets. So you multiply everywhere by 2. So minus 8y plus 12 plus 3y equals to minus 3. So you collect the like terms. So minus 8y plus 3y. So minus 5y plus 12 equals to minus 3. So we take this to the other side. So minus 5y equals to minus 3 minus 12. So minus 5y equals to minus what? Minus 15. So what will be the value of y? So y equals to what? Equals to 3. So y equals to 3. So y equals to 3. Now we get the value of x. So now we take this, the first equation there, or even the second one. So we take it to the first one to become simple. So x equals to minus 4y plus 6. And we know y equals to what? Equals to 3. So x equals to minus 4 times 3 plus 6. So x equals to minus 12 plus 6. So x is equal to minus what? Minus 6. So our system, the solution to our system will be minus 6 and what? And 3. Very simple, right? So that one is our system, minus 6, 3. Okay, another one. Y equals minus 2x minus 2. Then 7x plus 3y equals to minus 9. You can try that. Y equals to minus 2x minus 2, then 7x plus 3y equals to minus 9. Solve the following system of equation. So using substitution method. So they've already made it simple for you. So we have equation number 1 there, then equation number 2 there. So they've already made the first y to be the subject. So you take the first equation to the second one. So where there is y in the second equation, you put that value as 2x minus 2. So we have 7x plus, so 3, there is y there. So minus 2x minus 2 equals to minus 9. Then you open the brackets. So 7x plus, So 3 minus 3 times minus 2x is what? Minus what? 6x. 3 times minus 2 is minus 6 equals to minus 9. So 7x plus minus 6x is what? X, right? So x minus 6 equals to minus 9. So x, we take this one to the other side. So x equals to minus 9 plus 6. So x equals to minus what? Minus 3. X equals to minus 3. Then now, check that one there. So y equals minus 2x minus 2. So x is minus 3. So y equals minus 2 minus 3 minus 2. So y equals to minus 2 times minus 3 is 6 minus 2. And this one will give us what? So our system will be minus 3. Our system will be minus 3. That clear? So I know most of you will be having an issue with the signs. So make sure you just do it slowly. Yeah? Just do it slowly, checking the signs. So because if you miss a sign, I will reduce 1 mark. So if you miss any sign there, then you will get a negative 1 point. Okay. All right. Solve this. X equals to minus 3y minus 7. Then 5x plus 6y equals to minus 8. So use substitution method. So you already have the value of x there. So you can name this as question number 1, question number 2. So it says substitute 1, 2, 2. So you have 5x is minus 3y minus 7, and then plus 6y equals to minus 8. Then you open the brackets. So when you open the brackets, then you get minus 15y minus what? 635 plus 6y equals to minus 8. Let me collect the like terms there. So minus 15y plus 6y is minus 11. No, minus what? Minus 9y. Then you take minus 35 to the other side. So it will be minus 8 plus 35. So minus 8 plus 35 is what? So you get minus 9y equals to what? Is it 27? Right? So y will be equals to what? y is equals to minus 1. Y is equals to negative 3. Y is equals to negative 3. So now you bring this value of y to the first equation there. So x equals to minus 3y minus 7. And then we have y is minus 3. So x equals to minus 3 minus 3 minus 7. So x equals to 9 minus 1. So x is equals to what? 2. So our system will be, so our system will be 2 minus 3. Is that clear? 3. Okay, you try this. X equals to minus y minus 9, then 5x minus 6y equals to minus 1. So what did you get? So we do substitution there. So where the value x is, you put it in equation number 2. So 5 minus y minus 9 minus 6y equals to minus 1. So you open the brackets, minus 5y minus 45 minus 6y equals to minus 1. So minus 5 minus 6 is minus what? 11y equals to minus 1 plus 41. 45. Okay. So minus 11y equals to minus 1. It's minus 44 plus 44. So minus 1 plus 45. So y will be equal to negative 4. Y is equal to negative 4. So you do substitution, so you get x equals to minus 4 equals to minus 9. So x equals to minus plus 5 minus 1 minus 9. So what is x? X equals to minus 1 minus 4. So our system will be minus 4 and minus 4. What?
Yeah, it should be a positive 4 instead of a positive 5.
Oh, okay. So, okay, 4 there. So this is 5, right? And then that one is, no, sorry. So this will be minus 5 and what? And minus 4. Minus 5 minus 4. Okay, the next one, y equals to 2x plus 1, and then 3y minus 6x equals to 3. So the following system of equation. Solve the following system equation. So you can easily use the substitution method here. So whether it's y, you replace by 2x plus 1. So what do you get? So 3y, so whether it's y, you replace by 2x. So you get 2x plus 1 minus 6x there equals 1, equals 3. So you get 6x plus 3 minus 6x equals to 1, equals to 3. So what do you get? 6x minus 6x is what? 0, right? So that means 3 equals to 3. So 3 equals 3. So from there, what can we see? So that means this is on the same one. They're on the same line. So therefore, we have infinite number of values there. We have infinite number of values of x and y. So if the system, if we say it is on the same line, so each point here is the solution of the what? Is the solution of the system. So each point on that line is a solution of the system. So therefore, for this case, we have infinite number of solutions there. So how can we know also that we have infinite number of solutions? What did we say about it? We have the same one. So if we write this one in terms of y equals to mx plus c, what did we What do we get from there? So already the first one is y equals to 2x plus 1. Now let's write the second one in terms of y equals to mx plus c. So by taking the to the next, taking the y there, so y equals to now 6x plus 1 plus 3. So y is equals to what? So, when you divide, you get what? 2x plus 1 plus 1. So what do you see from there? They are what? They are the same, right? So they are on the same. They are on the same line. So then we have infinite number of solutions there. Okay. Right. The last one. 2y minus 4x equals to 2, and then 3y minus 6x equals to 6. Equals to 6. So here we can use elimination method. So we can use elimination method. We can eliminate 1. So how do we eliminate? So here we can multiply the first one by what? By 3, and then the second one by 2. Let's try eliminating one, the y, okay? So when we multiply the first one by 3, you get 6y minus 12x equals to 6. The second one will be 6y minus 12x equals to 12. Equals to 12. Equals to 12. So what can we see from there? So what can we see from there? If we subtract, what do you get? So we want to eliminate here. We want to eliminate y. So when we subtract, 6 minus 6y is what? 0, right? Minus 12x minus 12x is 0. Equals to 6 minus 12 is minus what? Minus 6. So is there any solution there? So here we don't have the solution. So there is no solution. There is no solution. Now, if there is no solution, what did we say? The lines are what? The lines are parallel. So the lines are parallel. So you can also see whether the lines are parallel here by writing in the form y equals mx plus c. So when we write that one, we have 2y minus 4x equals to 2. So when we take to the other side, so 2y equals to 4x plus 2. So y equals to 2x plus 1. So that one is the first equation. When we write the second one in terms of y equals to mx plus c, so we have 3y, we take minus 6 to the other side, so equals to minus 6 plus 6x plus 6. So when we divide, we get y equals to plus 2. So 2x plus 2. So there, the gradients are what? The gradients are the same. So it forms a parallel line. So when it is a parallel line, you cannot get the solution of the system. Okay. Any question? So that one is the end of it. So you should know how to solve the system by using the two methods, the three methods. So I can ask you a question about using substitution, using elimination. We have Carol here, Victoria. Laura, Adam, Kaveri, Andrew, okay, Ledesma, Gillian, Rock, Thompson, Samuel, okay. So make sure you do your homeworks, okay? 5, finish your homework. And then the next quiz might be on Friday. I think I'll be giving you some quiz every Friday. See you guys.
I was just at the back. I don't know if you call my name. Madison or Gregory Madison.
Yeah, I remember your name.
Okay. I just wanted to make sure. I'm sorry. I can't hear that good.
Okay.
Thanks,
So,
sir.
you're Victoria?
Here?
Next time.
Thanks, sir.